Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video today I have just a quick swatch for you of AIMEILI's number 053. There it is right there. And this one is listed as a neon orange. Check it out. Wow. I love orange because I think this is a great color that you can carry really well between summer and fall, especially with this being neon. Yeah, for Halloween I think it will be great. And I am going to be being a neon. I'm going to go ahead and give it a test on these tips right here. I have this one with a white base and this one just plain nothing on it to see how well it goes on its own for a neon. And then because we know neons to look their best over a white base, but let's see what it does on its own. Here it is, guys. This is out of the lamp and with the AIMEILI Shiny Top Coat. Can you tell the difference? Probably not, right? Now I can tell this is the one that I had the white base on because I can see the white polish right on the edge of the tip right there. And yes, this is great. Now in person, this one over the white appears to be slightly brighter, so I can see that the white base makes a difference. Nonetheless, without the white base, it is pretty neon. It is pretty bright. So yes, you can go either way with this one. That's nice to know because there are some neons that can be quite sheer or not. They don't look very well on their own at all. They really cannot go without a white base. So there you guys have it. And this is, yeah, it's a beautiful cream neon orange color by AIMEILI, and this is a 10 ml bottle. I will go ahead and have a link down in the description bar to this item. If you guys enjoyed this review, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.